Cha-cha.
Tony!
Go to Maria.
Come here. Come here, Tony. Oh, you stepped on your shoes. Hold on.
Get his shoes on.
Stand up, Tony. Stand up. Stand up, Angel. Stand.
Hey, you can take him over there and then he come here.
Okay.
Let's make him walk all the way down the hallway.
No way.
All right. Ready? Go, Tony. Go.
Back to me.
Woo!
Back to
Woo!
me.
Well, one more walk.
Okay.
Let's make him walk again.
Okay.
Buddy Tony.
Go.
Walk me. Want to baby Tony?
Tony, good boy, get up.
Tony, walk to me again. Ready?
Go slow, honey bunny. Go.
Almost.
Yeah!
You gonna walk. Okay, Maria. Ready?
Tony,
Walk.
Jack, you're not good in that. You're pushing him.
He's like, watch for Maria.
Hey, Tony, come.
Go to cha-cha. Walk to cha-cha.
Jack, get us up.
Go, go. Walk slow, Tony.
Walk.
He's doing it.
Tony, do it again.
He's getting too excited. Go slow. Go slow.
He hugged me. He gave a walking hug.
Yeah!
Jack, you're not good in that.
Okay.
Okay.
See, I just let him go. I just let him. Tony walked me. Tony walked. Tony. Hey, Tony. Walk to Sasha.
Go to cha-cha. Come on, go to cha-cha. He's tired. That's enough walking today.